Guys, this dude is such savage. Look at his doofus. Okay, that was one I hit. Said one. No, you're from me. So maybe that was the stupidest idea, but here, I'll show it to you guys. See, look, that's the mess. Take it off to the side. Pause the video. Okay, I'm such an idiot. Just look. Look at that. Okay, dart out, you throw it.
Alright, Macy, stop.
Alright. What the fuck is that?
I can't throw hard. I can't throw hard.
Oh! Here, guys, actually, this part, it looks like a trailer, right, guys?
That's it is.
Well, now it is.
I call it front part.
And here is the back part.
My turn.
That is my tail. Ooh, I have a good idea, guys. So, the hook through here. Oh, a little bit. But, here you go, dude. You're gonna have to do it the dog too.
Right, see?
Guys, that's savage. Here, I'm gonna pause the video, guys. So, hang on.